Have you ever considered the possibility that aliens might not be from the stars, but from deep within our own planet? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Imagine not extraterrestrial, but intraterrestrial beings dwelling in the labyrinthine depths of Earth's crust. This concept might sound like a sci-fi plot, but it has roots in ancient cultures and folklore. From the cavernous underworlds in Greek mythology to the subterranean realms in Hindu and Native American legends, there's a recurring theme: an entire world teeming with life hidden beneath our feet. And then there are hollow earth theories, suggesting that our planet is not a dense ball of molten metal, but a hollow sphere with vast, inhabitable spaces within. Of course, these are dismissed by mainstream science as mere myths and fantasies. Yet, the idea of a world within our world is irresistible, isn't it? But what if these stories are not just myths, but a reality hidden from us? Mysterious seismic waves, unexplainable magnetic anomalies, and deep underground structures that defy all logic. Could these be evidence of an alien civilization within Earth? Imagine, if you will, a world within our world, an alien planet nestled within the core of our own. It sounds like the stuff of science fiction, but some scientific anomalies suggest that it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Let's start with seismic waves. These are the waves of energy caused by the shaking of the Earth's crust. They're usually the result of earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. But sometimes, seismic waves are detected that don't match any known natural event. They're too regular, too rhythmic, as though something or someone is deliberately creating them. Then there are the magnetic anomalies. We're talking about places where the Earth's magnetic field behaves erratically, where compasses spin wildly and electronic devices malfunction. Some of these magnetic anomalies are so intense that they can even affect satellite navigation systems. Now, natural phenomena can cause magnetic anomalies, but some of these anomalies are just too peculiar. They seem almost designed. And what about the deep underground structures that defy all logic? We're talking about vast, cavernous spaces detected by ground-penetrating radar that have no business being where they are. They're not natural caves. They're not man-made mines. They're something else entirely. Of course, it's all speculation. There's no definitive proof, but the possibilities are tantalizing. Could these anomalies be the handiwork of a highly advanced alien civilization living right under our feet? Could they be harnessing the Earth's seismic energy, manipulating its magnetic field and carving out their own subterranean cities? But if such an advanced civilization exists, why haven't they made contact? Imagine beings of superior intellect, silently observing us from the depths of our own planet. What a thought, isn't it? It's fascinating and a tad eerie to consider that right beneath our feet, an advanced civilization might be thriving, its inhabitants watching us as we go about our lives. But why would they choose to remain hidden? What could be their reasons for this secrecy? One possibility is self-preservation. If these beings are indeed more advanced than us, they might have observed our propensity for fear and violence, especially toward the unknown. They might have concluded it's safer to stay hidden, to avoid any potential conflict or hostility. Another reason could be scientific curiosity. It's not far-fetched to think that they might be studying us, much like how we study less advanced species. They could be observing our social structures, our technologies, our cultures, and even our individual behaviors. We could be a living, breathing case study for them, an endless source of information and knowledge. Perhaps they're waiting for the right time to reveal themselves, waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological or societal advancement. Or maybe they're protecting us from a greater threat, one that we aren't even aware of yet. But let's take this speculation a step further. What if these silent observers aren't so silent after all? What if their presence has subtly influenced our evolution, our history, and our current world? Picture this. Key events in our history, seemingly random or coincidental, could have been carefully orchestrated by these unseen beings. Our technological advancements might not be entirely our own. but influenced by their silent guidance. Our cultures, our beliefs, our very way of life might be shaped by their unseen hand. But what if their observation isn't passive? What if they've been influencing us without our knowledge? Unexplained advancements in technology, sudden shifts in culture, historical events that changed the course of humanity. Could these have been orchestrated by our inner Earth neighbors? Consider the Renaissance, a period of unprecedented intellectual and cultural growth. Or how about the sudden leap from the Industrial Revolution to the digital age? Could these seismic shifts in human progress have been subtly guided by unseen hands? The world has seen many pivotal moments that have altered the trajectory of human civilization. The discovery of electricity, the invention of the internet, the mapping of the human genome. These are all monumental achievements that seem to have come about suddenly and dramatically. Could it be that these advancements were not merely the result of human ingenuity, but rather the influence of an advanced civilization residing in the depths of our planet? A civilization with an understanding of science and technology far beyond our own? What if we are not the masters of our own destiny, but mere puppets in a grand cosmic play? As we stand on the precipice of discovery, the question isn't whether we are alone in the universe, but whether we are alone on our own planet. We've voyaged through a tale of mystery, unearthing evidence of potential life forms not from the stars, but from beneath our very feet. These silent observers, hidden in the depths of our planet, may have been subtly influencing our world, living undetected right under our noses. We've examined the signs, the interference, the anomalies that can no longer be brushed off as mere coincidence. Is it possible that we share our home with beings who've mastered the art of concealment? Could they be observing us, learning from us, or even guiding us without our knowledge? This is not a question of fear, but one of profound curiosity and wonder. So, are we truly the lords of this world? Or are we merely tenants, sharing our home with a civilization far more advanced than ours?